got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got croquet on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. So if you guys would like to see how I made these cute cheeky bikini bottoms, be sure to keep on watching and subscribe to the channel too, by the way. To begin, you're going to need yarn of your preference. I'm using a 3.5 mm hook, also scissors and measuring tape. Let's get it. So I'm going to insert somewhere in this video the chart that I'm following. But to begin, you're going to form a slip knot. This usually works for a size small through large for the beginning portion. The back portion, as I always tell you guys, is going to depend and differ based on everybody else's body size. I'm going to start off by chaining 47 stitches, and this is just going to be working the front portion or the front panel of the bikini. So I worked 47, and then with the 47 you're going to add an additional 2 once you completed the 47. So this is the chart that I was talking about. Feel free to pause it and screenshot it. And this is just like an estimate, basically. So it's fairly explainable, and you know, it works really easy with bikini bottoms. So this is my chain, and as you can see, I'm about to put my measuring tape out and measure it so you guys can see that it actually is 11 inches. If you have a bigger front portion, I guess, I feel like everybody's the same, but I feel like we're all different in the butt area. You know, it doesn't really matter. I would just start off with 11 and then adjust the back panel. So as I said, you're going to chain in an additional 2, and then you're going to go back and half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. And this is just going to be a basic half double crochet row with no increases or decreases. So I'll meet you guys back when we're switching. Alright, so now that we have the first row done, you're going to chain 2 and flip your work, and from this point on we will be decreasing. So if you don't know how to decrease using half double crochet, I will show you guys, and you can also just lower it down yourself to see how I do that. But you're going to basically half double crochet 2 spaces together on the beginning and at the end of your row, and this is going to help form the triangle. And basically, so you'll know you're doing it right, you should have 5 loops on your hook. That's how you know you have the right amount to begin decreasing. So you're just going to repeat the decrease at the end. Like I said, this is going to help form the triangle, or yeah, it's going to help you form to the crotch area. So if you do this differently and you decide to add more or do less, you're going to basically continue to do this until you reach 9 stitches across. Once you reach 9 stitches across, that's usually about 3 inches for the crotch area, like I shown in the picture before. And you're just going to be working the crotch area, I say usually 9 to 11 rows. It really depends on you and your preference. Just know that the more rows you do on the crotch area, the more cheekier it'll be. So if you didn't want it to be that cheeky, I would suggest 9 rows. But in this video, I believe that I did 11 rows, which gave me a more cheekier look. So I'll meet you guys at the end of that. So when you're working the booty portion, just know that your chain 2 does not count as a half double crochet. So now I'm going to chain up 2, and you're going to insert 2 half double crochets into the first space. This is going to help you increase the butt panel portion. Like I said, the chain 2 doesn't count because I realized like it just didn't do anything. So you're going to increase at the beginning and at the end. For the butt panel, for me, I normally work between 19 to 20 rows. It really just depends, like I said, on you and your preference. 19 to 20 rows is usually good for a small/medium, but feel free to adjust it and tweak it however you want. So I'll be back when I have the whole butt part finished. This yarn is giving me mermaid vibes. I have no idea where I got it from, but I am loving it. As you can see, I have the butt portion finished. I'm going to chain up 1 and insert a single crochet in each stitch around. This is basically just working a border. In my opinion, it makes everything look a lot neater, and you know me, I'm all about making my stuff look flawless. So go ahead and work your border around. When you finish working your border, don't forget to cut and fasten off, and also go back and sew in all of your loose ends. and all that good stuff. I also didn't put it in here, but you're gonna make a chain of about 200. This is gonna be your side straps. Obviously, if you're doing a bigger size, you're gonna want to add more chains just so it can fit you comfortably. That's going to be all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure to tag me in your work. I love seeing y'all's work. It makes me want to put out some more tutorials. Also, comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see more tutorials of. I'm back. I had to take a little breather, a minute to myself. So, see y'all in the next video.